Good job, Karl. Are you scrubbing? Are you helping Daddy clean? Good job. Okay, you missed a spot right here. Can you scrub over there?
Oh no!
Oh no? Yeah, good job. Did you get it? Oh, you want to get over there too? You can get over there. Nice job. Oh, good work, kiddo. Hey, look, there's another spot right here. Can you get back there?
Oh.
Nice work.
Oh no!
Oh no, did you get it?
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no! Good scrubbing. Did you get it?
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no! I'm making it down me.
Oh, is it not clean yet?
Oh no!
Hey,
no!
do we need to get some more soap on the rag? Come here, let's get some more soap on it. Okay. Yep, there you go. Get the. Okay, now rinse. Now squeeze it. Good job. Are we gonna go do some more cleaning?
No.
What? You ready to do some more cleaning?
No.
Are you all done cleaning?
No.
What? I thought you were gonna help Daddy.
No.
You weren't gonna help me?
No.
Hey, silly goose. How about you? Will you clean this counter?
Yes.
Okay, that was a hit. Okay, right here. You wanna clean this one right here? Oh no, there's a spot. There you go. Oh, good work, kiddo.
Go back.
Oh, go back. Wait. Did you get some more suds? More soap? Oh, there you go. Oh, careful. Okay, scrub all around. Ooh, I see a spot right here.
Okay.
Karl, right here. Look. Right there. You gonna get that spot? Good job, buddy.
Get some more.
You can get some more? Okay. Get some more soap. Hey, do you want to scrub the pot? Karl, we could clean that pot. You want to clean it? How about scrub on the sides? See, look, there's a spot. You want to get it? Almost. Hold the pot. See. Oh, there you go. You got it. Good work. Are we having fun? Having fun with the soapy water?
Yeah.
Good job. I like how much you helped me, kiddo. Huh? Do you want to clean another spot? Should we go clean off the top of the table?
Duck.
Okay, here, let me show you. Okay.
Duck.
Yeah. Okay, let's go over there. Do you want to turn on the light? Is it dark outside?
Yeah.
Okay, bud. Oh, I see a spot. You want to help Daddy?
Oh no.
Oh, no. Is it dark outside?
Duck.
Hey, do you want to help me clean the table?
Yes.
Oh, you're good. Thank you, buddy. Keep scrubbing. Is that like at the car wash? You washing the table? Good job. Nice work. Are you making it all clean? Here, come over here. Look up. You want to get on the edge? Okay. Do you always have fun with Daddy, kiddo?
Yeah.
Good job, Karl. Hey, that's awesome. You did so good there. Yeah. Oh, you get in the back of the chair even? Nice work. Should we get this chair over here? Huh? Should we do this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice job, Karl. Yeah, fast? Scrub it fast? Good work.
I'm done.
All done. Are you gonna get the top of that one too? Or do we need to get more soapy water? Oh, don't eat it. Ew. No, no, icky, icky, icky. Icky, Nicky. Are we done? Are we done cleaning? Hey, no, 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 no. That's icky. Carl Cannon. Yeah. It's dirty. You don't want to put that in your mouth. No, 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 no. Not in your mouth, kiddo. Hey, will you please let go? Carl, please let go. Yeah, we don't want to put that.
Let go.
Hey, hey, be nice. I don't want you to eat the ickies. It's icky. Are we all done cleaning? Or are you going to do more cleaning? Daddy's going to have to get a towel, huh? Good work, kiddo. Good stirring.